Hi, I'm Edward from DentalPrice AI. See this? This is an AI-powered widget that combines a price calculator and a smart free consultation form. Drop it on your dental implant site and it'll triple your lead capture rate. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how practices are using this to turn their $10,000 ad budgets into 8 to 10 all-on X cases per month instead of the usual 2 or 3. That's 800% ROI in your first 30 days. Right now, you're seeing how the calculator steps, components, and pricing can look. And here's the best part. All of this is fully customizable to match your practice. We've processed over 60,000 dental implant leads through our AI, and we discovered 5 critical leaks in the typical funnel. Every clinic has them. They're costing you 30 to 40% of your potential cases right now. I'll show you what they are and exactly how to fix them. Whether you're a practice owner, running a marketing agency, or building sites for dental clinics, let's get into it. Here's what's happening to your $10,000 ad budget. Leak number 1, $7,000 on ads, nobody clicks. 70% want to see price, you're not showing it. Leak number 2, $2,000 on clicks that bounce. 95% leave without filling your form, no contact info. Leak number 3, 40 coordinator hours wasted on cold calls. Your $25,000 patients are buried in the pile. Leak number 4, 500 leads sitting dead in your CRM. Just name phone. How do you even work with that? 94% will never book. Leak number 5, 2 to 3 hot patients lost every single day. You call back an hour later. They already booked with your competitor. That's $30,000 to $55,000 a week. Gone. Result? 100 visitors, 0 surgeries. Now let's plug every leak. Let's talk about leak number 1, invisible ads. You know the ones. Free consultation. Call now. Ready to schedule? Here's the problem, they're not working anymore. The latest research shows 70% of dental patients want to know pricing before they ever pick up the phone. If your ads and website don't answer that question, they're scrolling right past you. And low click-through rates mean you're paying more for less traffic. So here's the fix. Instead of free consultation, your ad says, calculate your all-on X price in 60 seconds. Dental implant cost in 60 seconds. Patients click through to an interactive calculator. They get a price range, see what's included, explore financing options. They actually want to engage with it because you're giving them real value up front. The result? 2 times to 3 times more clicks from the exact same ad budget. Leak number 2, dead lead capture forms. Patient lands on your site. 2 options. Option 1, they call you directly if they're hot. Option 2, they fill out a form. Free consultation or schedule appointment. Here's the problem. These forms are just busy work. No value for the patient, no exchange, 95% leave. You just spent $15 on that click, and they got nothing. Here's the solution. It's technically still a form, but now it's a smart calculator. And here's the key. Patients actually want to use it. We capture their attention by giving them real value. They're learning helpful information, getting price estimates, and while they're engaged, they're unknowingly feeding our AI tons of data. Which procedures they're interested in? What help pop-ups they clicked on? Do they need financing? What's their credit score? Do they have insurance? What type? Our AI instantly scores them 0 to 100. Hot lead? 80 to 100? Your coordinator gets an instant alert, or our AI voice assistant reaches out right away. Form conversion goes from 5% to 20%. That's 4x more qualified leads. Leak 3. Your coordinators are burning out. 40 hours a week calling leads with 0 clue who's actually ready to book. They're talking to tire kickers while your hot 25K patients sit in the queue getting colder by the hour. Here's what changes. Every lead gets instantly scored by AI. 0 to 100, based on 200 plus signals. How long they spent in the calculator, what they looked at, their urgency level. Score of 85? Boom. Instant text to your coordinator. Hot lead, Sarah Martinez. Wants all on 4, has Delta insurance. Call in the next 5 minutes. Your team stops cold calling. They only call people who are ready to schedule. Way less burnout, way more bookings. Leak number 4. Your database is dead. You've got 500 leads sitting in your CRM. All you know is name and phone number. How are you supposed to nurture them? How do you personalize? You can't. 94% of those leads will never book with you. They'll go to a competitor instead. Here's what changes with our AI. Every lead comes with 50 plus data points. Procedures, insurance, credit score, financing interest, timeline, distance to clinic, promotions viewed, not just name and phone. Now you can send targeted campaigns. Someone worried about cost? Send them financing success stories. Someone researching recovery time? Send pain management content. Your nurture actually works because it's personal. That dead database? It comes back to life. We're seeing 40% of cold leads convert when you give them relevant information. Leak number 5, the 5-minute window. Every single day you lose 2 or 3 people who are ready to book. Not tire kickers, ready to go patients. You just called them back too late. An hour, 2 hours next day. Doesn't matter. Competitor got there first. You're bleeding 30 to 55K a week from this alone. Here's how AI solves this. The second a hot lead submits the form, 3 things happen instantly. 1. AI calls them within 30 seconds. Natural conversation, ask qualifying questions. 2. Your coordinator gets an urgent text alert with all their info. 3. SMS and email go out automatically. Hot patient gets contacted while they're still on your website. Your team has everything they need to close the call. You never miss that 5-minute window again. Every hot lead gets caught. So here's how this actually works in practice. Step 1. Drop the widget on your website. Takes 10 minutes. Works on any platform. WordPress, custom sites, landing pages, doesn't matter. Step 2. Customize from ready-made templates. Set your procedures, adjust your pricing, choose which steps patients see. All point and click, no coding. Step 3, connect your CRM with 2 clicks. Set up coordinator alerts. Text, email, whatever you need. That's it. You're live. And here's what happens. 20 to 30% more actual cases in your first month. Not more leads. More booked surgeries. Same ad budget you're spending right now, just way better results. 20 free leads. 0 risk. Real results. Click below to start.